Hey, Garberry here. Just wanted to shoot this quick video testimonial for David Dekel's Profits Passport system. Now, I've been leveraging this system for the last few months or so, and I've personally been making more money than I've ever made in 5 years online. In fact, at the time of recording yesterday, I hit my record for the most in one day, and I actually made $5,500. Again, just sending visitors to my affiliate link inside of David's system. So if you've been on the fence, or if you've been looking for a legit, honest way to make some serious income, I'm not talking about a few bucks, but life-changing income, I highly recommend you take action and get started with this system. It's been changing not just my life, but people from all over the world, different backgrounds, different experience levels, and I highly recommend you partner with this system. And it's truly, truly life-changing. So I just had to share, again, David, thanks so much for creating this system. It's absolutely incredible, and I can't wait to see what the future holds.